Vicky here with you, and today I'm here for an unboxing, and it's from New Days Craft. And I know how much you love when I share some of the items that they sell, and I think you're gonna love these ones as well. And I'm gonna have a lot of fun making these, and actually we're going camping, so I will probably end up bringing some of these with me camping and doing the video maybe from a camping site, because I'm thinking that this is a nice project that can be done and doesn't take a lot of room. And yeah, so I would love to know what you think about that. I'm always looking for ideas on what to do, because I get bored very easily. Like, I need to be occupied like pretty much all the time. So I love to have, you know, mix of things, and I don't want to have one thing that I do like the whole time I'm camping. So yeah, so that's that. This one here I thought was perfect to get going for Christmas time. And I'm always looking for ways of using diamond paintings that would be different and that could be useful. And when I saw this, I figured, wow, like for Christmas time to bring a wine bottle and to have this, isn't that just amazing, that bag? Isn't that cool? I just thought it was amazing, and there's not that many different colors, so it should be fairly easy to do. And I'm thinking that that in itself would be amazing to and it brings a gift at the same time as you bring the wine. And so I was really happy to see that they had this type of product, because it, like I said, it's different than the typical diamond painting that you can do. And there's only so many walls in the place, so if you want to do diamond painting, sometimes it's fun to have other items that you can use and that don't take wall space. Now, this one here, trying to open it up, need scissors. So this one is Christmas decor related. So again, thinking of Christmas time, which is coming, they don't have the picture of it, but you can get the gist of it. So basically, this here is hangs, like sits in this, and then there's this little owl that hangs from it. That hangs like that. Isn't that adorable? I thought that would make such a cute gift for my dad, who loves owls. And you know, just a little when I go down for when they have us over for Christmas, I always bring a little something, a little gift, as well as wine. So this would be a great one to bring along, and they could use it year after year, pull it out for their Christmas decor. So that's the idea behind it. Am I gonna give it to him, or will I end up using it for my own decor? That could happen. It's always a possibility, but we shall see. And then there's these here, which I thought were just so fun. Look at these. They're bookmarks. But look at that rabbit. Okay, you know where I'm going with this rabbit, of course. But I just thought they were adorable. And then they have these little things to hang from them. I fell in love. I fell in love, and I thought, again, very small little projects, don't take a lot of time, and it's just fun. So hopefully this is something that will interest you as well, because I don't want all big projects that take forever and a day to finish. It's nice to have some small ones that you can do in an afternoon and then move on to something else. And I feel like these are more of that. This one is probably longer, obviously, than these, and obviously the bookmarks, you can do them one at a time. You don't have to do both at the same time. But yeah, I'll probably bring these to camping with me, and then I can do those while camping. So that's my thinking behind it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Go and check in the description box below the link to the products as well as a discount code, and go and check out their products. They always have amazing goodies and new products coming in every month. It's just, yeah, they really expanded what was typical diamond painting to other things. So if you're interested, I'm pretty sure that you're gonna just love it. So see you guys soon. Bye.